Hello, welcome to my research and development vlog. So this is my first one for today. Well, first one ever. Um, so I'm working on the boss levels and the different bosses that we have. So right now, the bosses we have are quite different. We have a flying fish. Uh, so I just have a temporary sprite until we have the animations done, and then we have another boss here that I'm currently making. Um, it's just this right here. It's just like a dog, basically. But let me let me just show you basically what this dog does. Basically, the dog right here will just follow the player around like this. Every time he pauses there, it's supposed to be for attack, but because I don't have the attack and animations done for it, um, it looks like he's doing nothing right now. So yeah, we have the stage for the boss level, and that's done through the main scene here. If you go to main scene, it's basically whenever you click on the boss level here. So I have it set up so the boss level always spawns on the like second level, where it's usually like near the end, like you see all the way over here in the corner there. So basically here, it's our other one that Alex is working on, and then if you click here, it will load into ours. This is the boss level, and looks very empty right now, but I will add stuff to it eventually. And I'll go through some of the codes that we have for it. So this is my boss controller for the animator. Basically, this is very simple. It's just on entry, it goes plays an intro, which is gonna be our introduction animation. Hopefully, once we get the animations, I'll put that in. And then for the running animation, it's him walking towards the player, and then he pauses every once in a while to do his attack, which is like a swing of his sword or something like that, maybe. Um, then it goes back to the running animation over again, and that's the boss there. And this is some of the code for that. Let me just grab it real quick. Alright, so basically this is the code right here. This is for the boss running. Basically we have a public float for speed and also attack range, but the attack I haven't put it in yet because don't have the code for that yet. Um, this is basically everything else right here. So we have a player. We set that to the player tag. So basically, it's going to find the object with the tag called player, and the only one with the tag called player is the player. So if I go to my correct scene, I go to boss stage here. You can see player is the only tag with the name player. So that's why it follows the player around. And then RB is basically the rigid body. Boss, this right here, boss animator component is basically, um, let me go to my scripts. This right here, this is this script right here, and it's just looking at the player scripts. So basically, it just changes the X position of um, the boss to face towards the player. And here, because it's a public void, right, I can call it to the boss run. I had some bugs with it, so I just haven't implemented it yet, and hopefully I can get that fixed. But right here, this is my main running animation, I guess. Just makes a vector for the player's position for X and Y and moves towards it at a specific fixed time. And then afterwards, it moves. Right here, RB down move position. And the new pause basically is just the player's location. And this is also my flying fish right here. So basically, we have different things for it. a sprite renderer, a box collider 2D, um, a lot of circle colliders. But basically, this is the different stuff for it. A hot zone, which is the zone that will chase the enemy around. Aggro zone, explosion damage, the damage basically. And yeah, let me just put the sprite back in. Alright. Also, this is our Git Kraken. Setting this up was a little annoying, but once we got it done, we add a lot of stuff to it. So we have our different branches. I'm working on my own branch right here, and yeah, checking out old stuff works. Alex is mostly working on the main branch, so that's why there's a lot of commits on the main branch right now. So if I wanted to, I could check out the main branch right now and see what else we have changed to it. But this is really useful, so we can go back in time in case we make a mistake, which I have done a few times now. So yeah, that's what I've done in my first week of R&D, and hopefully by the end of next week, I should be able to get this and this done. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.